Hello everyone, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix calling speaker or air speaker not working problem in Redmi Note 10s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new in this channel. So to fix air calling speaker not working problem in Redmi Note 10s, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your air speaker problem.